Hello, my dear learners. Welcome back to Maths with Father. This is your road to WASSCE 2026, a new series where we prepare step by step for success in general and additional mathematics. Remember, mathematics is not about memorizing, it is about understanding, and I am here to guide you every step of the way. Your mandate is to stay focused and believe in yourself. Let's dive right into today's lesson.
Welcome to Math with Father. Welcome to Math with Father. Subscribe, like and share.
So, for our problem of the day, it says a stockbroker Kweju invested some amount in two accounts which pay 11% and 10% simple interest annually. The amount invested at 11% is 140% of the amount invested at 10%. After 3.5 years, he earned a total of 22,580.60 Ghana cedis as interest. How much was invested at 11%? Now, considering the problem given to us, reading the problem for the first time gives you an overview of the problem. Now, the second reading of the problem gives you insight to the problem, and when questions of these sorts are given to you, the central idea of the question is based at the middle or the latter part of the question. So for our second reading, a stockbroker Kweju invested some amount in two accounts which pays 11% and 10% simple interest annually. The amount invested at 11% is 140% of the amount invested at 10%. Now, to find out the amount invested at 11%, which was 140%, we should know the amount invested at 10%. That was the principal. So the principal invested at 10%. Now, the amount invested is the principal. So for us to get the amount invested at 11%, which was 140% of the amount invested at 10%, now the amount invested at 10% is the unknown from the question, which is the second part of the sentence. Now, the premises of the first sentence can be concluded at the second part, which is the amount invested at 11% is 140% of the amount invested at 10%. So the amount invested at 10% is the unknown amount. So we denote the unknown amount as X. After 3.5 years, he earned a total of 22,580.60 Ghana cedis as interest. How much was invested at 11%? So meaning at the end of the investment, which was the two investments, the first one at 11% and then the second investment as 10%, two separate investments. This was the interest generated at the end of the investment. This question takes us back to simple interest from simple interest. Now, simple interest or interest is equal to the principal, which is the amount invested, times the rate times time. So simply, simple interest denoted as I equals P, which is the principal, times rate, which is R, times time. And since rate is in percentage, all divided by 100. So we have two separate investments, one at 10% and one at 11%. So with the first one, the 10% interest, so interest at 10%, the principal, which is the amount invested, is denoted here as X since it wasn't given, times rate. The rate is 10%. So the amount was invested at a rate of 10%, 10 times the time. So the time here, after 3 whole number 1 on 2 years. Now the time here is in mixed fraction and could be converted into an improper fraction, which is 7 on 2, all divided by 100. The 10% interest is equal to our principal, which is simply denoted as X times the 10% rate times the time, 7 on 2, which is 3.5 on 100. Simply, this 0 gets rid of this. Now X by this is given as 0.35x. So this is the 10% interest from the amount invested. The second investment was 140% of the amount invested at 10%. Now the amount invested at 10% was X. The amount invested at 10% was X. Now let's work for the 11% interest. So the 11% interest, so for the 11% interest, the principal is 140% of the amount invested at 10%. Now the amount invested at 10% is X. So for the 11%, the amount invested is 140%. 140% of the amount invested at 10%, X times the rate. The rate is 11 times time, which is 7 on 2, that is 3.5, the same time. Now since 140 was in percentage divided by 100, the rate is also in percentage divided by 100. So in a simpler form, 140 on 100 is given as 1.4x. Then 11 on 100 by 0.11 times 3.5. So compute this on your calculator in its simplest form. So in its simplest form, 11% interest is equal to 0.539x, or this is the interest generated at 11%, and this is also the interest generated at 10%. Now the question continues to say that after 3.5 years, he earned a total of 22,580.60 as interest. So the interest for the total investment, 22,580.60 dollars. So this is the interest generated for the two investments. Now the first investment, the 10% investment, the interest at the end of the 3.5 years was 0.35x plus the interest of the 11% at the end of the 3.5 years is also 0.539x, and this was the total interest, 22,580.60. So simplifying this in its simplest form, we have 0.889x equals 22 by, so compute this on the calculator by dividing through by the coefficient of x. Now x gives us 25,400 Ghana, $25,400, $25,400. So this was x, and x was the investment, 25,400 Ghana cedis. So this was the amount invested, and that was our principal, the amount invested. So we can find the interest at 10% by substituting in the value x. Now 0.35 by 25,400 equals 8,890 Ghana cedis. So this was the interest earned at the end of the 3.5 years, the 10% interest earned. Now we can also find the 11% interest earned at the end of the 3.5 years. The 11% interest earned, 0.539 by 25,400, and this is giving us 13,690.60 Ghana cedis. 13,600 and 690.60 Ghana cedis. So this is also, or this was the interest earned at the end of the 3.5 years. Now let's move on to the question. How much was invested at 11%? So that is the 11% principal. The 11% principal was 140% of the amount invested at 10%. Now the 11% principal equals to 140% of the amount invested at 10%, that was x. So 140 on 100 by x was the amount invested at 10%, that was 25,400 by 25,400. So computing this on your calculator, 140 on 100 gives us 1.4 times 25,400. So by computing this on the calculator, we are getting 35,500 60 Ghana cedis. So this was the amount invested at 11%. If this video was very helpful, smash the like button, subscribe, and let's make math and science a reality. Thank you for watching this video. I'm out.
Subscribe, like and share.